LulzBot TAZ Pro 3D Printer, KTPR0050NA. The new LulzBot TAZ Pro is an industrial desktop 3D printer that provides large, multi-material and soluble support printing with LulzBot's award-winning reliability. Create large functional prototypes, manufacturing aids, and print-on-demand parts with professional results. Print multiple materials and soluble supports with dual, vertically actuated E3D hot ends, max temp, 300 degrees centigrade. Enjoy the industry's widest selection of ready-to-print materials including high-strength and high-heat filaments that are too abrasive for other machines. Large 280mm x 280mm x 285mm build volume. Manufactured in Colorado with premium components, rugged metal design, and backed by the industry's highest-rated technical support. Get professional results every time with automated XYZ offset calibration, nozzle wiping, and self-leveling features. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.